Hey yo, today I've been going through a hard time because my toaster just died. So this is for you, toaster. Back when I was a kid, I used to bake some fried chicken with your stick. Yeah. Oh my God, I shouldn't have put you in that water, because now you're more fire than a baked bean in a volcano. Baked bean in a volcano. Baked bean in a volcano. Yeah. Baked bean in a volcano. Baked bean in a volcano. Baked bean in a volcano. Yeah. Let me get my bow. Blow. I'm in that tro. Full and go. No, my boy, you ain't show. Yo, bro, what the flip, yo? This is not cool. My toaster's gone.